So here is how to block a number on iPhone. To block a number, you first need to open up the phone application, which is here on the bottom left on my phone. So once you open it up, search and find the number that you want to block. Then tap on the eye icon beside it. So as you can see, the number details are now here. Just scroll down to the bottom and select the Block Contact option. Then from the pop-up, tap on Block Contact again, and the number will be blocked from your phone. This was from the call logs. If you want to block someone from your contacts, go over to your contacts and select the contact you want to block. And in the same way, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Block Contact. Then select Block Contact again from the pop-up. And as you can see, this contact has been blocked from my iPhone. And that's it. That is exactly how to block a number on iPhone.